going on, guys? Ep.5 here, and I'm so happy to be here today because today, this episode number 5, it is the finale of Pokemon drawings. Anyways, guys, season 2 coming out probably next year because this year is 2019 and it's about to be 2020 in like 4 months, I guess. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for season 2 if you want to see that. There's going to be speed drawing, reviewing, all that. I'm going to probably teach you guys how to draw or something. If you guys want to, comment down below. Yes, guys, this is the finale of season 1. I hope you guys all enjoy. Yes, guys, if you've seen the water markings, basically I spilled water on it. So just don't worry about it. Just stare at the drawings. Don't look at the watermarks. It's embarrassing. Just don't look at it, alright? Guys, Ep.5 here, and today this is the finale, episode number 5. And we left off last episode right here, but now we're gonna go to Manaphy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, guys. So here we go. We got Manaphy. We got Fiona. I don't even know this name. Comment down below how to pronounce it. We got Castform, Pryogon 2, Pryogon Z, Aerodactyl, Mega Aerodactyl, as you guys can see. If you guys can't see any Pokemon really well, or like the Pokemon that's specific you guys can't see, comment down below. I'll do like probably a bonus video on that. We got Baltoy, Claydol, as you guys can see, Drifloon, Drifblim. Yes, here are the stats if you want to take a picture or a screenshot. Slugmob, Macargo. I really like these two drawings right here. These are really good. We got Coughing and Wheezing. That's a really good drawing right here. And we got the Articuno. Yes, the Articuno. I don't know why the eyes are red, as you can see, but this is one of the 3 legendary birds of the Kanto region. And we got Moltres and Zapdos. Yes, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below, #TeamShakes for a free shoutout. Also tap the notification bell to get notified for my new videos, and I'll see you later, guys. Guys, the series has been finished, guys. Yes. So season 2 coming out next year. Hope you guys all enjoy. Peace out.